Hey there. So if you have been using HubSpot since quite some time, you know about the fact that there is no option to see where a source record data came from. So you won't know whether you got a contact via some form submission or some import, XYZ, a lot of different things. And in order to make things simple, something new is going to be introduced soon by HubSpot. So guys, do you know there's a new source property on all CRM records? So this is something that will show you now how a record was originally created. This record source property is quite good because originally it was very hard to tell how something got created in HubSpot, how did a record came to exist in HubSpot. So now with this feature, it won't be hard to pinpoint the actual source of a record. So you would be able to see whether it was a result of an import or the UI. And now this property is something that can be used by you in almost all workflows. So right now this is in beta. You can join the beta via the link which I'll leave in the description. And once you click on the join beta link, you would get access to this, and all hubs and tiers get access to this new property. Let's click on the join beta. And now we have enrolled our account in new source property on all CRM records. So once this is done, we have this beta feature. Now all that we need to do is go to our contact section. Here, if we click on some contact, we are able to see in the all properties section, we would be able to see the new record source property, or we can also change our left sidebar view so that record source property is included here by default. So if we click on view all properties, here you can search for the record source. So it shows up as record source as forms. So we got this contact detail via forms, and it was done on 12th of December 2023. So this property is going to come in quite useful for a lot of people, and it is filled with up to 3 years of back data. So that's also something good. So guys, I hope you found this video informative. Right now this feature is in beta, so we won't recommend everybody to use it, but it's something good and can help you gain more insight about how you got a particular record. And in case if you are suffering from any issues, and in case you need our help in order to build something custom of your own, do let us know via the comments below, or you can always reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call, which can be done via the QR code on the screen in front of you or via the link in the description below. I'll see you guys soon in the next video.